Meaning of gossip.
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 Gossip. Gossip refers to the act of spreading rumors or discussing personal information about others, often in a negative way. It is usually considered a form of informal communication that occurs between people who know each other socially. Gossip can range from harmless chit-chat to potentially damaging rumors and can have both positive and negative impacts on the individuals involved. While some may enjoy gossip as a form of entertainment, it can also lead to miscommunication, hurt feelings, and damaged relationships. Overall, it is important to be mindful of the potential consequences of spreading rumors or engaging in gossip.